Good lovely afternoon, Moshe, Los Angeles carpet cleaning experts, and this is the after results. I am in West Hollywood, Truckmount system, over 230 degrees of heat, and this is what perfection looks like. This Berber carpet needed to be replaced, now completely brand new and restored. Very fast dry time, guarantee my service. One of the best in Los Angeles County, awarded by Angie's List Super Service Award, which only goes out to 5% of any industry, according to Angie's List, of course. Over 400 live videos on my Facebook and Instagram page and counting. 5-star company all over the internet. One of the highest review ratings in Los Angeles County, and I guarantee my work. Call the expert, taking appointments as of now. There you have it. This is what expert cleaning looks like. Thank you.